Hello guys, how are you? What's going on? Pray you're always fine. And once again, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share this amazing wild grass that can be helpful to everyone. There is an economic importance of touch-me-not plant, Mimosa Pudica, by Puskar on May 27, 2018. In forestry tag Gladuanti common name, touch-me-not plant. Its scientific name is Mimosa Pudica, also known as touch-me-not plant, native Philippines. Description: the plant is a creeping annual and perennial flowering plant of the pea and legume family. The plant can be easily identified due to its characteristic closing of leaves when touched, and it can be seen as an ornamental plant. Is also a weed that grows anywhere. This wild plant has thin prickles on stem and has green leaves and attractive pink flowers. Mimosa Pudica, or there is another name called damong makahiya, and it has various economic importance. One, the plant possesses a nice antiseptic and medicinal properties, and the root of the plant can be crushed and the paste can be utilized for treatment of boils, acne, and other minor skin ailments. And dramatic overnight healing can take place of such boils and acne, and that is really amazing. And number two, wounds and eczema can be treated by applying a paste of the whole plant and leaves. Number three, the plant also has an analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Number four, roots of Mimosa Pudica or makahiya contain endophytes. Endophytes are microorganisms that inhabit the plants, forming a symbiotic relationship. Endophytes also produce secondary metabolites like terpenoids, steroids, alkaloids, phenols, and quinines, which defend plant from various pathogens, and hence the species is also used in phytoremediation. Number five is the plant is widely used in folk medicinal systems. The list below gives you some additional health benefits this wild plant about and how you can consider economically. One of the many benefits of this makahiya or Mimosa Pudica is that it fights diabetes. It can balance blood sugar level is another benefit gained by drinking the juice of this plant. Just drink 25 ml juice of this plant thoroughly morning and evening, and within 9 to 10 days you will experience the changes in your blood sugar levels. Number two is it balances your high blood pressure. Just take some leaves of this plant and crush them to extract the juice. Just consume 20 ml twice a day and say goodbye to your high blood pressure problems. And number three is it removes gouts and arthritis. And this plant also helps cure joint pain. And for this, you have to make a paste from the leaves of this plant and apply it on your joints. Just leave it for the night and then wash it the next morning. Just do this on a regular basis until the joint pain diminishes totally. Number 4 is it heals insomnia or sleeplessness. And to fight insomnia or sleeplessness, take some leaves of this plant, 5 grams, and crush them to make a paste. Just boil this paste in hot water and strain. Take this during night time, and within 18 to 21 days, you will get positive results. Number 5 is it heals fractures. This plant also helps to treat fractures of the bone. Do you have one? Just simply make a paste of the leaves and apply on the affected area. And number 6 benefits is takes away asthma. Just boil this plant 15 ml with water and drink it twice a day. And this will help in treating asthma. Number 7 benefit is it eliminates gum problems and toothache. You can gargle with the decoction made from the roots of this plant to maintain good oral hygiene and cure toothache. And number 8 is it removes itching. To remove the itchy skin, just make a paste from the root of this plant, crush them, and apply it to the affected area. Or make a paste of extracting the juice of this plant and add sesame oil. Number 9 benefit is it is good for minor cuts and wounds for fast healing. And the juice extracted by crushing a few leaves of this plant and applied on the wound will work effectively. This plant has healing properties through which the pain will be removed easily. And number 10 benefit is it stops hair loss. Macahiya leaves helps in the growth of new hair cells and helps to control hair loss and baldness. And that's all I can share to you for now, guys. Pray that this vlog becomes a blessing to all of you guys. And I believe you learned something from Macahiya plant. Consider like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you.